Good morning, dear students. Today in English grammar, lesson number 7, we will study about the kinds of pronouns. The last class we have studied what is a pronoun, which are the kinds of pronoun. Totally 10 kinds of pronoun. The first kind of pronoun is, today we will study, one is a personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Personal pronoun means, and these pronouns are used to indicate persons or things. That's important. Persons or things. Persons or things we can indicate. Then yesterday, last class, we discussed the matter. Then today we will again repeat the personal pronouns means we, it, they, you, he, she. He is a student. He is a student. He indicated a name of a boy, a name of any name. He is a pronoun. He indicates or he denotes a name of a boy. He is a student. She is sleeping. Here she indicates a name of a girl or name of a station. Then it is big. It is big. It is bigger. It, here pronoun is it. It indicates a thing. So personal pronoun denotes persons or things. Then which are the important personal pronoun? The personal pronoun is very important and basic out of all kinds of pronouns, so you should study very well it. The first is I. I is a personal pronoun. I is a personal pronoun. Then we is a personal pronoun. You is a personal pronoun. He, she, it, they. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the personal pronoun. Total how many? 7. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. They are the personal pronoun. These words are known as the personal pronouns, and you should study it. And all these we are used as subject. These are the subject. That means the subject means these personal pronouns will come in the first part of the sentence. Sentence has two parts, first part and the last part. First part and second part. Last part. And this subject will come in the first part of the sentence. A sentence begins with these pronouns. A sentence begins with the personal pronouns. And these pronouns will not come in the end of a sentence. End of a sentence, what will come? End of sentence, that is known as the object. And these personal pronouns will come in the first part of the or beginning of the sentence. But in this case of last part, I, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. But this personal pronoun, the same personal pronoun, if we use this personal pronouns, the last part of the sentence, this object will come. I will write one example. He, helped me. Listen. He helped me. Here two personal pronouns. The one is as in the form of subjective and other is as in the form of objective. Here which word indicates a personal pronoun belongs to subjective and which is a subject in the sentence? The subject in the sentence is he. He is a subjective in the sentence. Okay. He, subject will come in the first or starting or beginning of a sentence. Okay. But in this case of me in this sentence as an object. So here, if you write this sentence like that, he helped I. This is also pronoun. This is also pronoun. But he helped I. That is wrong. This is the wrong sentence. That if you use a personal pronouns as the form of objective, and these words will come the end of the sentence. Okay. So I, me, we, us, you. There is no changes. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. Here, once again, listen. It's very important. Some personal pronouns are singular, and which are the singular and which are the plurals. Here look at this one, us. This is the plural. And you or you, in some sentences, we are using in the form of a singular, and some other sentences we use you as plural. Then are you fine? Are you fine means here singular. But if you say some students you should come to the office, here the use used as in the form of a plural. The you has a peculiar characteristic. You is used as the form of singular and plural. Both. We can use you. You are the yours. Yours is plural. Then they, them. And this is also plural. As, yours, them. And these pronouns indicates plural. And others, I, he, this singular you, she, it. And these pronouns indicate or mention singular. Is it clear? There some example also in your PDF notes. One box also. You should study it. That is it. And it is known as the first version. First version means who will speak first. Then I am going to indoor. Here I is the subject. I myself speak. So this is known as the first version, and this is known as the second version, and this is known as the third version. Then I said he is good day. I said he is good day. Here I. So I am talking to you. I said. Here is imaginary word. So I said to you. Here I is the first person because I am the starting of the talking start from me. So I is considered as the first person. I is talking to you. Then about him. He is a good boy. So he is known as the he, she, it, they. These are known as the third person. And this first person is talking about the third person. Is it clear? Here in this sentence, the first person is I. The first person is said to the second person about the third person. The first person is talking to, or first person is talking to the second person about third person. He, she, it, they. Okay. Then I will say what important points related to personal pronouns. In some sentences, we can see a group of pronouns. Then, for example, Raju, or Kamala, then I, 22, Popa. Here look at how many nouns here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nouns here. 4 nouns here. Ram, Raju, Kamala, I, 22, Popa. Then I, she, he, 22, 22 Popa. Here look. Then here I am talking about this I. In each sentence, a number of pronouns. If you watch number of pronouns or number of nouns in a sentence, including I, then where is the position of I? Where is the position of I? Here I is Ram, Raju, Kamala. After the three nouns, we use the I. Ready to Popa. Then I, she, ready to Popa. Here look. Here I is a subject. No doubt. I came in the first part of the sentence, so I is a subject. If I is a subject, the I will come the last part. So for example, just listen here. I and she. I and she, this is the wrong sentence. I will not come in the first. I will come in the last. Then I will write the correct. She and I, and this is the correct. Okay. I and she wrong. Here look. I, she, he. It is wrong. Then where I will come? The I, he, she, and I. I will come in the last. This is correct. Ram, Raju, Kamala, and I. Here, this is also correct. Here, that is very important. Then, this is also in your PDF form, and based upon this part, I already given some exercise to you, and you should find out that exercise. Then in your PDF on second page, do not use me in place of I when I is a part of the subject of the sentence. Do not use me in place of I. I is a subject if I is a subject in the sentence, simple meaning we should not use me. Some students they are misusing I and me together. Then for example, Tina and me are good friends. Are friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Tina and me are good friends. Here look at Tina is a noun. then I is also noun. But here me is wrong. Then what we should do? Tina and I are friends. This is correct and this is wrong sentence. Tina and me are friends. That is wrong. The correct usage is Tina and I, because I, in this case of I subjected, the I will come the last part of the group of nouns. Only in the group of nouns cases. Otherwise, no problem. 2 or 3 or nouns or pronoun cases, then it will be used. Okay. You should do some more works also, exercise work, and you should do that works. Thanks a lot.